Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've opened the pot and noticed the rice is mushy. Act now. First, drain any standing water through a fine mesh strainer so you stop further overcooking. Rinse briefly under cold water to remove surface starch that glues grains together. This helps separate them. Once rinsed, use a fork to gently tease apart large clumps, then spread the rice in an even layer on a rimmed baking sheet so it can cool and dry quickly before the next step. You're ready to revive texture. Choose oven or stovetop depending on time. In an oven, spread rice and dry at 200 degrees for 5–10 minutes, stirring once so heat evaporates trapped moisture evenly. Once done, let it rest briefly. This firms grains. Alternatively, heat a non-stick skillet on low with 1 teaspoon oil and gently sauté while tossing for a slightly toasted texture. This separates grains and reduces sogginess. If the rice over-dries, make a small well and sprinkle 1–2 tablespoons hot broth to re-steam it lightly. You're at the finish line. Fluff the rice with a fork to separate grains and serve immediately, or cool it quickly if you plan fried rice. For a crisp edge, press rice into a hot skillet and brown for 2–3 minutes. This transforms texture and adds flavor. Make sure to taste and adjust seasoning. If you still find it gummy, here's a troubleshooting tip. Refrigerate the spread-out rice for 15–20 minutes to firm up. Then reheat in a dry skillet to restore texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.